Are you ready to unleash your creativity with YouTube? In this video, we'll explore how YouTube works and how you can become a content creator. YouTube is a powerful platform that allows anyone to share their videos with the world. Whether you want to entertain, educate, or inspire, YouTube provides the tools you need. First, let's understand how to get started. Create an account and familiarize yourself with the platform. You can upload videos from various devices, making it convenient for creators. Next, focus on content creation. Think about what you are passionate about. Your unique perspective can attract viewers. Plan your videos, ensuring they are engaging and informative. Once your videos are ready, it's time to publish. Optimize your titles and descriptions to reach your audience effectively. Utilize tags that accurately describe your content. This enhances discoverability. Now, let's talk about engagement. Respond to comments and interact with your viewers. Building a community around your channel is essential for growth. Collaborate with other creators for mutual benefits. YouTube also offers analytics tools. Use these insights to understand your audience better. Track your performance and adjust your content strategy accordingly. In summary, YouTube is an incredible platform for sharing your creativity. By understanding how it works and engaging with your audience, you can create successful videos. So, let's get started with your YouTube journey today. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on mastering YouTube.